JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Data Warehousing and Mining. The topic of today's session is difference between big data and data warehouse. These are the topics which I have covered in this session. What is big data? What is data warehousing? Big data versus data warehouse. Now come to what is big data. Big data basically refers to the data which is in large volumes and has complex data sets. As the name itself meaning that big data means massive and large data, huge data you can say. This large amount of data can be structured, semi-structured or non-structured and cannot be processed by traditional data processing software and databases, right? So there are various operations like analysis, manipulation, changes, etc. are performed on data and then it is used by companies for intelligent decision making. So, big data of course is a very powerful asset in today's world and many researchers are working on this big data, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, and this is one of them. Okay, so big data can also be used to tackle business problems by providing intelligent decision making. Now, what is data warehousing? This I have already discussed in my starting sessions. Okay, so data warehouse is basically the collection of data from various heterogeneous sources, right? And it is the main component of the business intelligence system where analysis and management of data are done, which is further used to improve decision making. Basically, the data comes from the heterogeneous sources and that data you can say is the filter data, and that filter data you can use for the business intelligence systems. In that system, analysis and management process should be done so that they can able to take decision making or they can able to improve the decision making. Okay, so it involves the process of extraction, loading and transformation for providing the data for analysis, and the data warehouse are also used to perform queries on a large amount of data, right? So it uses data from various relational database and application log files. Now comes to the comparison of big data and data warehouse. Big data is the data which is in enormous form on which technologies can be applied. Okay, and whereas if we are talking about data warehouse, it is the collection of historical data from different operations in the enterprise. Big data is a technology to store and manage large amount of data, whereas data warehouse is the architecture used to organize the data. Okay, so it takes structured, non-structured or semi-structured data as an input, and in data warehouse it only takes structured data as an input because the data is a filtered data, right? So big data does processing by using distributed file system, whereas data warehouse doesn't use distributed file systems for processing. Okay, so big data doesn't follow any SQL queries to fetch data from databases, and whereas in data warehouse we use structured query language to fetch data from relational databases. So Apache Hadoop can be used to handle enormous amount of data, and data warehouse cannot be used to handle enormous amount of data in data warehouse. Okay, so when new data is added, the changes in data are stored in the form of a file which is represented by a table. So when new data is added, the changes in data do not directly impact the data warehouse, and the big data doesn't require efficient management techniques as compared to data warehouse. And data warehouse requires more efficient management techniques as the data is collected from different departments of the enterprise. So this is all about the comparison of big data and data warehouse. Now this is the question for the practice. Write the difference between big data and data warehouse. Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.